Why export your mindfulness journal?
The following includes many benefits from your mindfulness journal. Review your growth and print your entries if you wish. Digital journals are convenient, but having copies ensures you never lose your valuable thoughts.
Exporting from Day 1.
Day 1 is a popular mindfulness and journaling app. To export your entries, go to the main menu, select Settings, then tap Export Data. Choose your preferred format such as PDF or JSON. Follow the prompts to save your file to your device or cloud storage. This exported file can be printed or archived, giving you full control of your mindfulness writings.
Exporting from Journey.
Journey offers easy options for exporting your journal. Open the app, navigate to your entries, and tap on the three-dot menu. Choose Export, then select PDF, zip, or docx formats. Specify the journals or dates you want. Once completed, you can save the file locally or to cloud storage, making sharing or printing your mindfulness entries straightforward and secure.
Exporting from Penzu.
Penzu allows you to keep your mindfulness journal safe and printable. Log into your account, open the entry or entries you want, and use the Export button. You can select PDF or text format. The PDF is best for printing and sharing. After exporting, download the file to your computer or device, ready for backup or printing as needed.
Tips for printing your journal.
After exporting your mindfulness entries, open your file with a PDF viewer or document editor. Review your content, adjust the layout if necessary, and select your printer settings. For privacy, consider printing in a secure location. Use binder or archival paper for long-term keeping. Printing your journal can help you reflect on progress, set new intentions, and keep a tangible record of your mindfulness journey.